Wind chills below zero made it a rough start for wildlife waking up. Clouds and snowflakes promised a hard day. Food was key to warmth, and birds got active despite the freeze. A flock of mountain bluebirds, wintering far east of their normal lofty homes, congregated at Cedars along with other bird species. Dense blue cedar berries are often abundant, making great emergency winter food for birds. But their small sweet fruits covering hard seeds require quantities for adequate nutrition. Cedar berries pass through bird digestive systems in less than an hour, so the birds fed heavily throughout the day, staying on the lee side of windbreak foliage to fight the cold. It was a rare and close opportunity to watch them dine. Male mountain bluebirds are richly colored, uniquely sky blue, unlike their more common cousins, the eastern bluebirds. Eastern males are darker blue and marked with russet highlights. Both relish cedar berries, as do handsome cedar waxwings and assorted other birds. So cedar trees were the bistros of choice on such a brutal day. Birds often picked their berries from a perch, but today they hovered and fed mostly on the wing. Certain trees having the best fruits drew a crowd, and it was faster to eat by directly attacking berry clusters. Also, the intense activity helped warm them against frigid winds, even while requiring more energy. So they flew in place for seconds at a time, picking and sorting their food. Bad berries were quickly discarded without swallowing. Hard weather is always part of the deal for wildlife that lives outdoors. But nature's bounty provides many ways to help them make it through to easier days. I'm Mike Blair in the Kansas Outdoors.